Hello my students, how are you? Today we will start with a new chapter, chapter 10. It's about decimal number. Now let's study lesson 1. Lesson 1 we have tenths. Look at these pictures we have. If you want to write the fraction for these pictures, we learned in the previous lessons. From the first time we count the color parts, or you can say a shaded part. After that we count all parts you have. We get 6 over 10. In this lesson we learn how you can write a decimal number for this shaded part. Look at there, we don't have any whole picture. Write 0. After that put this point it is a decimal point. After that count the shaded part you have. From there we have 6 shaded part. Write 6. You can read by 0.6 or say 6 tenths. And look at these pictures. From there from the first time write the fraction for these pictures. We have 1 whole, write 1. After that we have 8 shaded parts in 10 parts, write 8 over 10. If you change it to decimal, also we have 1 whole, so write 1. After that we put this point, and after that we count the shaded part you have. From there we have 8 parts, so write 8. You can read it by 1.8, or you can say 18 tenths, because this one it is 1/10. And if you put the decimal number on the number line, for example you have 0.7. 0.7, that means it's between 0 and 1. You have 0, 1, and make it in divided it in 10 equal parts. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and put 0.7 from there. So this place it's place 7 tenths. And if you have 0.3, also we make it 0 till 1. We make it in 10 equal parts. After that we count 3 parts. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, put down 0.3 from this place. You have. Let's learn how you can write a decimal number as a expanded form, or word form, or standard form. Now we have 1.7. For every time this digit is behind a point, or you can say at right of the point, it is tenths. Okay, and this digit before the point, or you can say at left of point, it is ones. Now if you want to write the expanded form for this 1.7, write 1. So 1 is ones. Just write 1 and put plus. After that we have 7, so 7 is tenths. Write 0.7. and you can know by another way. We have just 1 digit before 7, so put 1 0. And by word form write 1 and 7 tenths, and by standard form write 1.7. And from there we have 2.5. Write 2, just 2, because 2 it's ones. After that from this place point put the plus, and after that we have 5 tenths. 5 tenths, that means 0.5. And 2 and 5 tenths, we have 2.5. Look at there, 4.1 we have, so 4 it's ones. Write 4 only. After that put plus. After that 1/10, you have 1/10, 0.10. So we say that we just write 1 0, because we have 1 digit before that point. By word form we can write 4 and 1/10. So 4.1, it's by a standard form. Let's do practice page 185. You can write in your pocket from number 1 till 4. We write in decimal form. From from number 1 we have 7 tenths, so write 0.7, and number 2 3 tenths, write 0.3. Number 3 27 tenths, so 20, that means two whole numbers we have, and write 2.7, and we have 8 over 10, 8 tenths, we can write 0.8. Then number 5 till number 8 we write the number of tenths in each number. We have 0.4, that means we have 4 tenths, and we have 1.3. 1 it's whole number, so it's 1/10, and 3 we get 13, right, 13 tenths. And 3.7, 3 is also whole number, that means we have 3/10, and 7 we get 37 tenths. And from there we have 4 is whole number, that means 40, and 8, right, 48 tenths. And from number 9 till 12 we write all for them. 2.6, write 2 and 6 tenths, and 0.1, write 1 tenth, and 4.2, write 4 and 2 tenths. 2.4, write 2 and 4 tenths. From number 13 till 16 we write each number in expanded form. We have 1.4, so write 1 plus 4 tenths. Look at there, before this 4 we have point and 1 digit, so put point and 1, 0 from there. And from there we have 2.7, write 2.9, so write 2 plus, and before this point you have just 1 digit, write 0.9, that means 9 tenths. And from there we have 3.5, write 3, just 3 because it's ones, so write plus after that, and put 0.5. Look at that, we put just 1 0 because we have from there just 1 digit. And look at there, we have 6, write 6 plus 0.2, that means 2 tenths. And from number 17 till 19 we put a decimal number on the number lines. We have 0.6, it's between 0 and 1. From after 0 we count till 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put it this start from place 0.6, and from there we have 2.8, that means it's between 2 and 3. After 2 we count till 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This place is place of 2.8. And at number 19 we have 3.4, so it's after 3 and before 4. So count 4, place 1, 2, 3, 4. This place is place 3.4. From there we get end in this lesson. I hope you get useful. Thank you for watching.